Hey guys. Hi. Okay, I think this is live now. Hey, I'm doing a quick video update. My name is Denan. I'm a certified herbalist here in Greenville, Alabama. My shop is called Sweetheart, Alabama. Come visit anytime you like, open 10 to 5. I wanted to give you a quick update. I've been thinking about this a lot and haven't really written a blog about it, but I'm seeing that Ohio is pulling CBD off the shelves and saying that only dispensaries can sell CBD. I think that's really ridiculous once it's everywhere. You can't put the toothpaste back in the tube. Well, I was looking at the Alabama Appleseed Center for Law and Justice, and they have a report on marijuana. And I just want to say I'm using this report because I want to give you an example of why criminalizing CBD in Alabama is going to cost so much money. There's going to be a backlog of forensic testing. It's going to be a giant mess. And by the way, Steve Marshall has already said it's legal. And how are we going to put the toothpaste back in that tube, right? Okay, so, and just to be, fair and on the up and up, I sell CBD at my store. I sell different, I don't have just one company. I sell ameri-canna and Tennessee CBD, just FYI, I do. So, okay. So I just want to share this with you because I thought it was really interesting about the forensic backlog causing a long delays in Alabama. So Alabama, and this is from their report on marijuana laws in Alabama. Alabama's prohibition on marijuana possession has created a massive backlog in forensic tests, an often overlooked problem that causes serious unintended disruption of the lives of people charged with a relatively minor offense while diverting resources for more serious crimes. And this is what I'm really serious about. So let's say, people want to, or law enforcement wants to test this to see. It says CBD. It says that it has less than 0.3 THC in it. I have third-party testing, but they still want to buy it and test it. Are you kidding me? The backlog that's going to cause from every shop, every gas station, everybody who possesses it. You guys, this is going to be a big old mess if we don't get the legislative process involved in this and policy with some sane ideas for how we can do this, okay? And they continue with, after someone is charged with a felony marijuana offense, the state must confirm whether the substance that was possessed, sold, or shared was in fact marijuana. But during the first quarter of 2018, hold on to your britches here, okay? It took the Alabama Department of Forensic Sciences an average of 278 days to process a drug case. Are you kidding me? And then you're going to pull in everybody who possesses or sells CBD. It's not going to work, guys. We got to be smart about this. At the end of the quarter, the ADFS, that's the Alabama Department of Forensic Sciences, had a backlog of 30,684 drug cases awaiting analysis. The ADFS estimates that about a third of those were marijuana cases. So look, and I'm not even talking about marijuana. Just think of adding on top of the marijuana cases, CBD cases. No. The ADFS processes evidence for more than 450 law enforcement agencies. So in addition to testing samples, the agency analyzes biological evidence such as DNA from sexual assaults, homicides, and other cases. The agency, in other words, is busy. And it's very busy testing substances suspected of being marijuana. Imagine how busy it will be testing substances suspected of being CBD over the 0.3 THC level, while y'all could be processing rape cases. I'm going to stay calm. Staying calm here. So what I'm interested in and what I'd like to suggest to policymakers and lawmakers is that regulation, sure. I think we could stand a little regulation in this department. But criminalization, no way. Let's say, and I'm going to say something radical here. Let's say I buy a batch of this. It's third party tested and everything. And let's say it has 0.4% THC in it just by chance. Really, you're going to waste that much resources for the state of Alabama, and it take almost a year to do it, when that case could have been, somebody could have spent time, processing evidence in a rape case besides that. Okay, so I know I got a little heated there, but it really is important that we do this right. It really is important that we're smart about all of this. And if you have any questions about what is happening with Alabama law, policy, or legislation, hey, I'm not going to know all the answers. I think I'm up to date on what's going on right now before the legislature meets in March, but I would love to point you in the direction of some people who might know the answer to your question, even if I don't. So thank you so much for listening, and I'll be back soon with more updates with the legality and issues with CBD, this wonderful product in the state of Alabama. Okay, thanks. Bye. Mwah.